let's create index Python, and then let's import OS, as we're gonna need it for some of our functions. And then we're just gonna import time, uh, mm, or let's just import sleep, yeah, because that's the only thing we're gonna need. And then let's start with let's start with the main driver function. So def main, I'll leave it at that, and name double equal to underscore underscore main underscore. If that is the case, then round main. Okay, and now let's just write an if condition, because we're gonna write this code something like we have like there needs to be a file that exists in the desktop. So if that exists, then the program will stop, kind of like a failsafe. And if that does not exist, then it's gonna run, and it's gonna log the victim out every time. So almost done with the skeleton. Let's define a global variable where the desktop directory. I'll define the desktop directory there. So os.path.join, os.environment, and then user profile, typewrite, I forget every time. Anyway, user profile, and then we need to enclose this in another os.path.join. So let's write os.path.join bracket, and here we're gonna write desktop. Yep. So now this defines our desktop directory. Now we have the desktop directory here, and then we need to also include the desktop or the file name. Yeah, so this slash the file dot name. So now we can write our code if the file exists. So that's a failsafe one, and the else is the main rank. So os.system cmd/c. We're gonna run cmd commands inverted comma shutdown.l. So this represents as log off. So we're not gonna shut his PC down. We're just gonna log him out. So here we're gonna define a timer. So seconds is parameter. I'll write it right now. So for I in range seconds, just sleep for 1 second. Yeah. So my timer is defined. I'm just gonna comment it out for countdown purpose. Yep. So this is done. Now we need a message box to like scare him, right? So show final message, def show message, and we're gonna take message as parameter. Now we're gonna write C type. Okay, so we need to import that as well. Okay. So C types, user 32, message. Wait, why isn't it autofilling? Okay, anyway, message box W. Here we need 0, comma, message, comma, title, comma, 1. So let's just define the title here, because it's gonna be same both ways. So device hardware issue to scare him off, and okay, that's it. No timer here 5. We don't want it to like run at the start. Show message. Let's just write a message here for important exclamatory, and then critical battery issue. Critical battery failure. Yeah. Or we can just copy an Microsoft error here. That would be like more convincing. So let's just copy that and paste it right here. Also, we need to remove capitalization here and here. Bad habit. Anyway, so doing is complete. Now we are gonna do the failsafe one. So first, let's write OS remove, because we need to remove the file, because next time if the file still exists, it's gonna log him off again. We don't want that. So delete the file. Then we're gonna show him a message. The message is gonna be haha noob. And then let's just remove the program itself. So argv 0. Oh, we also need to import that. Exit. Let's go import the argv from sys import argv. Okay, so this will remove itself. And yeah, I think this is pretty much it for the program.